It was a tough final. We had a tough week because we had a semi-final that lasted well into the wee hours of the morning. Finished that match at roughly about 2 a.m. This morning, had to try and regroup, get a few hours rest, and then come back and play a finals against the number one seeded team. So we're extra happy and motivated that we were able to close it out, take back our title, and get another victory for Team Baker and Soares.
Jason, how you feel about the match?
I felt I'm really happy for the win. It was a little disappointing. I didn't see a lot of crowds. The crowd that was here the last time, I was hoping they would be here so that we could have gotten that support again. But I'm very happy for this win.
So now that you've reclaimed your title, does this mean that the dominance will continue?
The aim is always to win. We just need to go back to the drawing board, ensure that we work on some of the errors that we made in the game, especially on our serves. We need to fine-tune those, and I think we should do very well the next tournament.